Hey vlog, so today is July 20th and today I don't got much to do. I'm just probably gonna get my toes done and I'll just take her to whatever I'm doing today because I gotta go to the gym, clean my room, get my toes done and do some couple of stuff today. Or I did purchase these Ollie gummies. They smell like, they don't stink, they smell like vitamins, but they smell like strong strawberry oatmeal. But they taste good. Please don't mind if I'm whispering because my sister is sleeping right here. So anyways, I'm gonna start off with these. I got more supplements that I take, but I don't take them on a daily. I want something that I take on a daily or like every other day. So I did purchase these. I think they should help. If they don't help, I'm gonna blame TikTok and everybody in the world. But other than that, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. Bye, y'all. I gotta shake my sideburns, wax my face, do a lot of stuff today. What my workflow looks like. Don't mind me, I was reading the Bible, but like this is what my workflow looks like. On a daily or a day, I would usually go to Bible study, which is just reading the Bible, and then do like real estate research or like any form of like research, if that makes sense. Like, all right, y'all, so it's not morning now, but basically I ain't eat breakfast. I'm not gonna show y'all what I eat, but like I'm gonna show y'all my favorite go-to breakfast meal. So it's basically an egg burrito, and I'm gonna make that right now along with some green juice because I've been wanting to try green juice for so long this summer and I still have yet to try it. So I'm gonna try that. Yeah, this is what everything's looking like. You know, I have to make biscuits. My sister wanted biscuits too. But I'm gonna put this in the air fryer, heat up my eggs, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in a little bit when I'm basically almost done with everything. I heated up my cheese. I heated up my eggs. I'm done with my sausage, so now I'm gonna make my green juice. I'm excited to make this. Put it on your burrito. Back out. And you just put it back in the air fryer so it could toast everything all together all in one. Again, now that that's cooking, I'm gonna show you at the end how it looked. Anyways, I'm gonna start making my green juice. But I was good one minute. Oh no. Yeah, look how pretty oh my gosh, hold on, look how good the watermelon looks. I chose out the best watermelon. Jenny, look.
You on my front page one more time?
I'm excited, y'all, because I picked out a good watermelon. Let me tell y'all how to pick out a good watermelon. All you need to know is like the shape of the watermelon. I know it sounds crazy, but like if it's like this, and if it's like this, it's a man. The women's are usually more sweeter, the men's are more dull. And the women's are like more juicier. Now, if it's like dark green, and then like you see like a lot of, hold on, like spots like this, like spots like that, it may look bad and scratch marks, you see all that too. It may look bad and nasty, but I promise y'all gonna get a good watermelon. So, yeah. Like, look how pretty and juicy my watermelons look. Like, right? Like, I just wanna, I ain't gonna do that. I finished cutting everything up. I'm gonna show y'all. I finished cutting all the watermelons and I finished cutting everything for my green juice, bro. So basically, I'm just gonna place everything in and y'all just gonna watch me make it. I got me some celery. I didn't chop it up fully because I feel like I was cutting too much stuff. And I'm not gonna I have a lot of apples, I'm not gonna lie though. A lot. The best for last, I have some watermelon. Even though it's a green juice, I want watermelons in my stuff because. So I tried to make my green juice with the blender. It wasn't blending, so I had to use the smoothie maker, and it came out like this. Mind you, I don't have a food processor, and Straighten it out, but this is how my green juice came out. And I tasted a little bit of it. I don't know how people drink this. This is so nasty. I'd rather eat a whole bunch of fruit than drink this thing. But other than that, I'm done. And I'm finally finna eat my breakfast. And yeah, I just finished my food and come to find out I'm not drinking it. I'm not drinking that shit. Look, hold on, let me show y'all. I don't know what the hell I made, but y'all look. I'm not drinking it. I'd rather drink like a bunch of fruit blended together than this green stuff. The ginger is strong. I'd rather drink ginger ale. And everything just, ew, no, it's not for me. I drink fruits. Everything well blended in like a fruit smoothie. I'm not drinking this. It's bitter. It's just nasty. I don't. Hey y'all, so this is going to be like my quick little mini haul for y'all and some recent pickups I got from Shein and some other places too. So I'm gonna make it quick though because it's not that much, but summer's almost over and I still have yet to wear any of it. Like everything's freshly new. But I'm gonna get to it real quick and show y'all what I got. What I got was this bodysuit. I need more red in my closet and I need more colors and I need more bodysuits. So I felt like this bodysuit was a cute, simple bodysuit. Vibrant, adds more color to my closet. So yeah, I got that. I don't know why I got it. Why I got this huge orange sweater. Like, I don't know what caused me to get it. I felt like it was a little different, so I just got it. But like, it's pretty big. It don't look like this in the picture, but I think it's really cute, and I feel like I could pair something up with this. I don't know why, but I just got it because it gave off like summer. It gives more spring than summer. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear, and I'm not gonna wear it in winter because it's just like flowers and stuff like that. So, but it's really cute. I really like it. It looks better, matching my scrunchie, but it looks better on this. So yeah, I got that little orange sweater. I think it's really cute. I don't know, it's just me. So I got 4 shirts for like $20, and it came with this blue shirt. Y'all probably seen me wear it already, but it was this blue shirt, black, gray, and white. All of them are in the laundry right now, but it came with those 4 shirts. I think they're really cute. I needed some basic clothing. The next thing I got was this anyway, so yeah, the next thing I got was this loungewear. You know, like Skims, but like not Skims, because I got Skims soon. Like, I really not. I got time to be paying that much for Skims right now. Maybe when I'm fit balling, but now, boy, I can't do it. But it's like this, like, it looked like boxes and drawers. And I was like, I looked at it like, what is this? Like, whose drawers is these? But it's just like, it's looking like I should have bought Skims because it's kind of like thin. It's not like, but when I put it on, it's really cute. Like, it's really nice and fitted. But like right now, it looks like a little like a boy's drawers, you know. But I promise you, it's literally loungewear. And it's really cute when I put it on. It makes my body, does my body right and stuff like that. I'm gonna put a picture. I'm not gonna put a picture of my body, but I'm gonna put a picture of, you know, Shein's little pic, whatever. Next, so the next thing I got, cause I forgot, mind you, I had this Shein I had everything back for like a month and never wore nothing. Why? Because I don't go out, like I don't go nowhere, and I didn't have plans. So it's just like, but I got this legging set, like it's this lilac purple legging set, and it came with a matching top. Y'all see how cute? Now I'm pissed because now I either gotta wear it to the gym or actually wear it to somewhere, and it's just like I don't got nowhere to wear it to. So, but it's real pretty. Like, y'all see the color? Y'all see the color? I'm just like, dang. I'm disappointed. Light bodysuit, she's real cute, she's real pretty, she's real simple. I really need some like basics, not like more graphic tees. Y'all style with some graphics, but like I don't have none. I got no basic clothes, so I was just like, let me, like, this cart is gonna be filled with basics and cute stuff, not no graphic tees, because I already got enough of those, and most of the graphic tees I wear to only at the house, and I want to wear something where I'm like, I could wear it often. Excuse me. Anyways, so I got this nude, like, ish crop top. You know, she's real pretty, she's real cute. And what else did I get? Oh, I'm not done. So the next couple of things I got, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of a lot. Like, I really didn't think it was that much. But the next thing I got was this hot pink crop. I already tried it on, as y'all can see. I was gonna try it on to go watch the Barbie movie, but I didn't like how I paired it up with. But it's just this hot pink shirt. Next thing I got was pants, because, you know, girl needs to stock up on gym. So I got this blue one. I got this gray one. It came with two more. So it came with two more. These two colors. This teal and then this pink. I really like how they fit on my body. Yes, I already wore two of them. I wanted to save the two until I like actually could record. But those, if y'all need some gym sets to start off with, go to Shein, because like Gymshark be taxing. Well, I'm being realistic. Gymshark be freaking taxing. And I wish I had Gymshark money, but I don't. I really don't. Pause the shark. I don't know why I thought I was going that's how delusional I am. I don't know why I thought I was going on vacation this summer. So I was just like, let me get this real quick. Really, like, I think it looks cute if you pair it up nice, you know, just a little cute house loungewear, whatnot. I think it's cute. Actually, I think it's cute. Let me not even lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually really cute. Just, I don't know why I got everything, to be honest, because I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. And the fact that I was gonna spend more money on a Shein cart this weekend is crazy. So I got this cute little handbag. I think it's really cute. They had some like shoes to match with it, but I was just like, no, I just went for it. It matches like the summer vibe. Like, y'all see the correlation, right? Y'all see it, like, yeah. I got this crop along with this. I rarely wear the crop, but I got this crop along with these biker shorts just for gym. Just for the gym, because like the top is kind of like, not tight, but my top is like kind of big, so I'm not going nowhere like that. But I just got that for the gym. But from Ross, I got this. First thing I got was this Hello Kitty crop. When I saw it, I was like, yeah, I need to get my hands on it. It don't look crop right now, and it's saying it's an extra small, but this is not an extra small. This is like a large or a medium. I tried it on. It was crop, but it was perfect because I'm not no extra small. But it was really cute. Like, I could pair this up with some nice little dunks and like some flared jeans. Like, I have a cute basic outfit for it. Next thing I got was this white crop, because I got no white crops at my house. So I was just like, let me get some white crops. It was like $4.99 at Ross. So I got this little white crop. And the next thing I got was these shorts, you know. These ones, it looks big, but it really fits nice. Cause like I'm a size 5. So I got these little jorts. These are so cute, like real cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear again. Got these mom jeans, these straight high-rise jeans. Like, when I tried these on, y'all, I fell in love. Like, it fit in my body so nice to the point like I had to take it home. I was not leaving it here because Ross is a hit or miss. You leave something, you're not gonna get back the next time you find it. And I learned my lesson the last time, so I was just like, I'm leaving. You're coming home with me. And this is really cute. And then the last thing I got from Ross was the Stranger Things hoodie. When I tell y'all, I love Stranger Things so much, I just like, you're coming home with me. You're coming home with me. So that's about it. That's really all I got from Ross. And I'm done with clothes for a little bit, like probably for a couple months. I might buy some shoes. Other than that, I'm not buying clothes more. Y'all not gonna take my money. Clothes will forever be there. Other things wrong. So those are all the clothes. Then from Shein, I got me some little jewelry pieces. If we're being honest, I don't know where they at. I don't know where they are. I got to show y'all 2 more things that I got. Bodysuit. She's real cute. She's real pretty. And this gray bodysuit that I didn't even know I got. But I got this gray bodysuit right now. But yeah, that's really it. Anyways, that's for my recent pickup haul. All right, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Hey vlog. Today basically I'm going out with my friends and we're just gonna go out, hang out, you know, have a good time. I'm speaking so fast because I'm literally on a time crunch. I'll show y'all my outfit, but other than that, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so as of right now, I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up. I don't know where they at, but he's on his way and I'm gonna just wait. I've been making TikToks or whatnot, but other than that, I'll talk to y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all, so we at my best friend's house. We got tea here.
Hi, you guys. I just made them breakfast and stuff. At 6 fucking p.m.
You had to mention that. This lighting is good. Okay, let me sit up. Anyways, vlog. Go get in my vlog. I'm here with my friends. Get in the light. Alright, so yeah, y'all. We finna leave.
Yo, okay, now she's showing out.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to the skating place. I'm sick. You're sick? I feel sick. Oh, anyway, so yeah. That's what Sean is. Y'all look. Yeah, I'm nervous. I can't. I'm not even gonna try. Y'all, this is tiring. I can't do this. Oh, yeah.
I'm here.
Oh my God, my legs hurt. Huh? Oh, you're sweaty.
Birthday picture.
Everybody.
Real real, bro. When you out here, you know how to skate. Actually, when I'm down, bro. Hey, you can teach me how to skate. Live like that. So y'all guess what?
He can't even make it over there. Okay. Rate your experience. Rate your experience.
7.5 out of 10.
He's trying to rizz up girls, y'all.
It's only that high because I met a dog.
Sean, move it. See how you do that?
I can't go. Don't stop recording.
I don't know if I could. I don't know how to put the brakes on. Look at, he got a girl to teach him how to skate, y'all.
To join the giant circle, which means parents. If you don't have
Right, they ain't busted his ass.
to walk our own landscape floor, if you want to join us in our celebration.
Look, I'm grabbing us. He has to do any help, bro. Go, sir. Go, sir. Go, sir. Go, sir. Let's go. We just got done skating. We skated for like an hour. Made it to international. T's here. She's mad because she's hungry and sick. Sean's happy because the girl followed her and whatnot. Did not eat. Y'all girls are so fucking bad.
You gotta be quiet your mouth if I'm out here, bro.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Shut up your mouth. Relax, a group of... Yo, this is the NYPD out there. These folks, they deep as hell. Let's go interview one of them. I asked these dimes if they want me to take a picture from them. They gonna say no. And they start laughing like that shit. Yo.
Because it was funny.
Y'all crazy.
He thought he was gonna get his wrist like right there.
I'm 2-1 right now.
You want to get the dark one? You had a dark one in the back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at this gook, man.
I hate it. That looks so scary. Huh? DJ shot your pants. Run away to move it. Got me in the chest. I'm a suicidal dude. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Okay, bro, we at the house. Like. Hey guys, we're at City Walk right now. We're at City Walk. We just gonna vibe, you know. Cousin Day. Yeah, cousin Day. Yeah. I had Panda Express in a long time. She looked like she eat it on the daily though. I had Panda Express last week. So this is how it looks so far basically. We have LeBron here. This is supposed to be Kobe. Don't mind those two eyes and back. Those are basically erased. And this one's gonna be Michael Jordan. And I want to finish this, but I have been slacking, so I'm gonna just get back on my grind on camera. I'm probably not gonna do too much since my mom is gonna be on the way and I gotta go to the gym. So yeah, but this is how it looks so far, and I'm gonna see how far I could get up. Ain't mean the same, man. I didn't link out like what the fuck. You finally want to go to the gym? All right, so we got apple cheesecake, chocolate chip, French toast, oatmeal.
Yeah.
Mom's recipe. That's what it is. This is salted caramel cheesecake, and this one is the Chip Ahoy one. All right, y'all. All right. So which one are you gonna try first, Jamie? My sister French toast look. It looks.
7.
I'll eat this tomorrow morning.
So
we got the apple pie, right? One. It gave breakfast, like school breakfast, and I already did it 6 though. Yeah, the oatmeal one.
I don't know.
It tastes burnt. Try it. She's saying it tastes like Starbucks.
Alright, chew it. I didn't say it was good, but
5. I rate that one a 5.
4.
I don't know. It's caramel cheesecake, but we're gonna try this one. It looks like diabetes. Dripping, y'all. Okay, we're gonna try it. Straight diabetes. Straight diabetes. She can't even eat it. All right, last flavor. I'm so mad. I'm already disappointed at
I
this
want to try
point.
chocolate chip. I already know how that tastes like.
No, we have Chip Ahoy, y'all. I'm irritated, bro. It tastes like Chip Ahoy mixed with a birthday cake cookie.
We can just buy it.
I don't know. Crumble cookie gives trend like
A 7.
I rated a 5.
I rated a 7 because like it's good, but like I'm not in the mood for any sweet. So
Yeah, she's right. Like
I'm going this way.
no, we saved it for breakfast. Vlog. Okay, today's beach day, our family annual beach day, and we're going to the beach. We're going to, I don't know, but we're going to the beach, and I'm not gonna ramble too much. I just finna see clips of me at the beach or whatnot. So I packed my bags. My cousin's here to already pick us up. Like, he came quick as heck. But other than that, I'm gonna be vlogging, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So yeah, so enjoy this clip of us at the beach. Bye.
You're not for us right now, fam.
Yeah, y'all, I'm in a Tesla right now. It's my cousin's car.
Oh, look, though, that big cool. Look, watch this.
No way.
Man.
No. It charges the phone. Yeah, look at this. It's so nice. Oh. We got this.
You talking about my niece?
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. I ain't never going flat. I can't even eat the
2023, who the fuck still beefing about a bitch? Oh, don't speak on shit. Bitch, you ain't a quiet zone. Quit to swipe a bitch up by my mix, my windshield wipe.
Everything ain't alright?
Yeah.
move mom.
Oh, that's your dog. She in here sucking dick.
Guys, so we're at my aunt's house. Everybody's getting ready and getting situated here.
I'm doing that drink. I ain't got time to be sober with y'all. Yeah, the way y'all coming in this group chat. Yeah, take your picture.
Anyways, y'all, so I don't know.
Anyways, y'all, it's a real nigga checking in. How y'all doing? I ain't gonna lie, we spent at Walmart. I bought. Appreciate you. That's for the fresh order, right? Appreciate it.
What is that?
A football.
Oh, yeah, he got the football.
Stop, like I said. All right, leave it. All right, now pull it down the drive. You good? Whoa! Make sure you good. Look both ways. That's what I'm doing right now. Sheesh. Hey, press that middle button, that third one. Who you talking about? That third button. Next to the cell phone.
I'm scared.
On the low bottom one. The third, yeah. Yeah, type shit. Yeah. Cause I still gotta look for.
That's what, Dave, you followed me, right? I'm
Oh, 5 minutes remain to continue trip. Why?
Look, cause you see how fast that been going. That been going.
Yeah, give me your phone. Oh, like, yeah, give me your car. What's going on? Hey, Q, you okay? Look. Left, right, steering, obviously. Race your Tesla to the finish line.
Wait, that's what I'm saying.
I think you might have to, yeah, you might put gas and all that, but yeah. They press the gas, they press the brake type shit.
Damn.
I hope.
Are we in park?
I don't know why I said brake and brake. That's weird. Yeah, we in park, but you straight. Trust you good.
Okay.
Continue.
Just continue.
That's weird.
Continue button.
I don't get the brake. Look, if you hit something, you hit something. It is what it is. And brake the play. Okay, so you guys just brake. Hey, oh, wow.
Oh, I gotta press the gas. Shit, hold on.
Oh my god.
Shit,
I
next
don't
game.
wanna play this game.
Yeah, what shit
No,
next
I
game?
wanna try.
Oh, yeah.
So that one, like, you gotta check. It makes sense.
It do.
Okay, 1, 2,
Did you take a picture?
3.
No. Of what?
It's 3. It's 3.
But it look like you in a spaceship.
Okay, it has to be 5.
That makes no type of sense.
Then 7.
Okay, dog.
Okay, 1, 2, 2 or 3.
It's 3. What the hell? Bro, you don't see them. That's 3. Wow, that's trash. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, let's see.
1.
8.
No.
8.
3.
It's 8.
It's 3, dumbass. God damn.
1, 2,
6.
4.
What?
Behind the dumbass.
Try one.
We tried one.
Really?
I'm pretty sure.
No, yeah.
Okay.
Fuck ass shit.
6. Okay.
2.
5.
Not
It's
2.
5.
It's 5.
No, it's not. It's not.
That shit's 6. No, I'm saying like, cause you're the charger, he puts it at 84%. You can't pass it. You feel me? So he stopped that, but yeah, I don't know. Are that big gonna change?
No, nigga.
Hey, they was I seen that online. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Does it change the car?
I'm saying, bro. Like I'm saying, let me outside 3 of purple.
Oh, shit, it's purple. Gotcha.
I hate you, bro.
Tight shit.
You can put it outside.
My shows and these bitches freaky, I gotta let it pose. Young nigga world, young nigga way.
Why you roll your eyes at me?
I ain't roll my eyes at you. I look at your ass kind of crazy, bro. Cause who the fuck you talking to?
I said yes.
What? So much attitude behind it. What?
Mine.
Did you get the key?
Yeah, I got the key. Hold on.
I don't have chocolate money. Tell me, what drinks are we getting? No, cause you gotta think like, is it going back? Or is I don't know. I think it's going back. What is that?
You don't like black people if you snatch her about it. Like, that's go. You lying. Jeez. But with a Tesla at?
We thought we got a butt. I'm talking about first day in Tampa, we already got a butt.
Okay. Yeah, okay. It's already high. I ain't playing with your ass today, Andrew. Look at the cousin spotted.
God, I don't know. I just see red this morning.
Somebody get a bad beauty.
Everybody just see red, but Jay, what are you doing? I've been wanting for one for you.
Andrew been talking shit since he got out of the car.
Look, damn, I don't know. What about here? Excuses, damn. And I'm still here for, how you want to call that bitch?
We'll see how I feel by the time we get out of here. Because I won't end up being your fast. You woke up with violence.
Just touching the back of his head. Oh, it's a middle path. It's that. Okay, yeah, you're right. Wait, what are we gonna put our clothes on?
So we got the fam, y'all.
I'm ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. We got Andrew passing Stacy. Andrew passing Stacy. Andrew's far gone. Stacy right behind. Damn, Stacy. This ain't nothing to see. Ain't nothing to see.
I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm thinking, give me extra credit, baby. I'll do more work that you want.
They did my they tripping. They got baby murder in this bitch.
I'ma start this all by saying.
He's not Tupac. Okay, number 2. My name is LeBron James. What am I name? Number 3. My name is Geo Jover. What?
Move your folks so you can have the smoke. Night owl with that.